Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kibor penyat ke Little Angels Secondary School Joai, haka jingalam ke Dolly Lamare, guide captain, haka khandai terik ujeleo, kila penlong ye ke enrollment and investiture ceremony ne ke jing Pynrung kerteng ki Khynnah school, ki batrang ban longkum ki scouts bat ki guides. Haka jingalang leidon lang upa ohiwat lalu, District Commissioner Scouts, West Jentia Hills, ubalalong kum kongsan, ke chwadaka lalu District Commissioner Guides kum ke sembot kongsan, ke Principal jong ke school ke kong EE lalu, Chairman School Managing Committee u Dr. Khongla, kinong hikai bat ke Khynnah school. Ye ke jingalang le penyait de ke Dolly Lamare, Guide Captain, balayo ye ke jingkren pediang no Dr. Khongla, Chairman SMC, bat ki kentin sneng kentin kerau, badru ki kentin ai mensim ni ki Khynnah, na kechwad ka lalu, badru na kong EE lalu Principal Little Angels Secondary School Joai. Uba ohiwat lalu ubalalong kum kongsan hagene kasngi, ula penpau ya kawe ni ki kamram ka bahakmat jong ki Khynnah scouts but guides kalong banyada ya ka may mariang bat ki saudong saukun jongka, badula kintu ya ki Khynnah school jong ka Little Angel School ban long ki Khynnah ki batip bat banyada ya ka may mariang badru ban kenkor kentang ya ka haga jing em ka baman kasngi. Ya ka benta ka kerpang kat kum garukom dustur jong ka Bharat Scouts and Guides na ka benta ki Khynnah school la pendap da u adiom yu ptho District Secretary Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jentia Hills kat bai ki Khynnah Guides la pendap de ka Dolly Lamare Guide Captain Little Angel Secondary School Joai.
Be honest in everything. Remember that, okay? You have to be punctual and you have to be honest, and then you have to take a step to build your society and your nation also. It is your duty to see that everything run in order. And then we have seen also, remember, young persons like you, they are the hope of our society and our nation also. The character of our society tomorrow will be built by you, small scout and guides. It means that the future of our society will solely depend on you and how you young boys and girls will build it up or will shape it up. So scout and guide plays a role in making the character of a person also. When you join the scout and guide, naturally you will build, you will make the character, you will play a part in making the character of a person. You will be a good person, you will be a punctual person, you will be disciplined in every way. I have seen everywhere I go also, when there is a scout guide and a scout, they used to be very disciplined. And in every function also.
Yes, Wall Environment Day. And yesterday, what is it yesterday? The last Monday is World Environment Day. Yesterday is a good day. Today is a new day. And every day is Environment Day. Remember that. Every day is Environment Day. That is the Scouts and Guide spirit. And there is a lot of the badges in your syllabus so that you will learn it, you will complete it to get so many proficiency badges, as we have seen that the boys and the guides, the girl guide, is teaching both sides of them. All these badges are, we call it proficiency badges, so that you will earn it by complete or go through the syllabus or whatever you like. So thank you so much for this day. Just to remind you